I had mentioned earlier that German Jews had no knowledge of Yiddish and looked down on it. And I became aware of the fact that the Yiddish literature was very rich, and I became very interested in it. I took a class with Ilan Stavans, who is one of the big names for the Yiddish Bookcenter, on Yiddish literature. I took a class in Yiddish at Hampshire College. In Learning in Retirement, I took a class on singers literature. I read a lot of the Yiddish literature in English. My Yiddish has never become very good, but because I know German and I know Hebrew, the mixture makes, I can understand Yiddish, but I am a very, very slow reader. By now I haven't done it in a while. I don't really think, I wouldn't be able to carry on a conversation, but I love Yiddish as a language. I think it is a richer, it's almost a plastic language. It is richer than German, and I'm sort of sorry that I didn't learn more. And I think the literature, people like Singer, Peretz, Sholem Aleichem, Moshe, Mocher Sforim, all of these are wonderful writers. So I guess, I became a member of the Yiddish Bookcenter from the word go. And I remember, because I'm also I was an associate dean in humanities and fine arts at the university, and the Judaic studies, I knew everybody, and I'm not honorary, but I was like a member of the Judaic studies. And I remember that the very first pre-opening meeting was a little cocktail party at the Yiddish Bookcenter, to which I was invited. So I feel I'm part of it and have been part of it for as long as it existed.